Sometimes you need to find the top 10 sales amount of a particular category. In my case, I want to find the top sales amount of the department real estate. In your case, you may have a branch name or any other category. I have already created the drop-down list. So if I select a department name from the list, the result will change automatically. I will solve this kind of problem using Excel 365 dynamic array formulas, Power Query M, and finally SQL. So at the beginning, I will show you how you can solve this using Excel formulas. So I will delete my previous work. First, I will use filter function. And this function will pull out the only rows that match departments from this department name range. So the array will be my entire range, comma. In the include argument, I will write my criteria. So the criteria is my department range equal to garments. If I close the bracket and press the enter, this is the subtable of the department garments. Now I will sort this table by the sales amount in descending order, I mean from largest to smallest. So I will use sort function. In the sort index argument, I will write 4 as the sales amount is the fourth column, comma, and the sort order argument, I will select descending as I want to sort this table from largest to smallest. If I press enter, the table has been sorted in descending order. Now I will use take function to grab the first 5 rows. So in the rows argument, I will write 5. I'll close the bracket and press enter. This is my top 5 sales amount of the department garments. Now I will add the header by using vstep function. The array will be my header range, comma. So this top 5 sales amount table will come below the header. If I close the bracket and press enter, so this is my top 5 sales amount with header. Now I will solve the problem in Power Query. I have two tables. This is my master table from where I will grab the top 5 sales amount by department. I have created another table for the department. I have created this table to make my result table dynamic. This table name is table 1 and this table name is table 2. Now I will load this table into Power Query. So I'll go over data tab and click on from table / range. This is my first table. I will delete this step. To load the second table, I will duplicate this table. I'll change this query name. I'll write department. And in the source, I will change the table name. I'll write 2 instead of 1. If I press enter, this is my second table. I will apply the same logic that I have used in Excel to get my result. First, I will select a department name from the filter. Now I will sort this table by the sales amount in descending order. So I will click this filter icon and click on sort descending. Now I will grab the first 5 rows. So I will click on keep rows and click on keep top rows. I'll write 5 as I want the first 5 rows. If I click on OK, so this is my expected result. Now I will make this table dynamic according to my department name. So I will go back to department table. Here I will use drill down to take the single value, which is department. If I click on this step, which is filtered rows, you can see the department name has been hard coded. So I will replace this department name by query, and the query name is department. If I hit OK, my result will not change, and this table now is dynamic. Now I will load this table into Excel. So I will click on close and load and click on close and load to. For the time being, I will click on only create connection as I have two tables and I want to load only my result table. So I'll click on OK. From this two table, I will load this table 1. So I will right click and click on load to. Here I will click on table, and in the existing worksheet, I will select a cell. I will select this cell. If I click on OK, the result table will be loaded in Excel. If I select another department name and refresh this table, the table will change according to my department name. Now I will solve this problem in SQL. So I will go to SQL database. First, I will display the entire sales table. So I will write select asterisk from my table name is sales. If I run this, and you can see this is my entire sales table. I will apply the same concept. First, I will filter the department column by a department name. So I'll use where the column name department name equal to, I'll write a department name in single quotation. I'll write garments. If I execute this, the table has been filtered by the department of garments. Now I will sort this table by the sales amount in descending order. So I will write order by function, the column name sales amount, and the order will be in descending order. If I execute this, now the table has been ordered in descending order by sales amount. As I want to grab the first 5 rows, so I will use limit and write 5. So it will return the first 5 rows of this table. If I run this, this is my expected table for the department garments. If I change the department name, I'll write transport. If I run this is the top 5 sales amount for the department transport. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.